Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. Today I've got another fun and super simple Dollar Tree DIY for us. We're going to be making a tiered mirror makeup caddy. And so what we'll need is you'll need one of these candlestick holders from Dollar Tree. I've got a square candle holder. I've got some diamond wrap that I've pre-cut to the sizes that I need. So you'll need some diamond wrap. You can pick this up at Dollar Tree. And you're also going to need 5 of these square mirrors. If you don't want to go with square, you can use whatever shape you like, but you will need 5. I've got one of these silver napkin rings, which I may or may not be using. We'll see. They come in a pack of 6 or 8. I've got some loose gemstones here, and they're the diamond gemstones from Walmart. I also have some of the peel and stick diamond gemstones from Walmart. You can find these at Dollar Tree on a half sheet size. I've got some hot glue. If you want to make this project permanent, please use E6000. And these are the items that we'll need to complete the project, so let's get started. Okay, you guys, isn't this just beautiful? It's so easy to make. Now let's go ahead and start playing around and decorating with it. You can use this as a makeup caddy. You can use this in any number of ways. Well, there you have it, guys. A simple, beautiful glam DIY project. I hope you guys will give this an easy DIY a try. I'd like to thank each of you for stopping by Cozy Casita. You're always welcome. If you like these kinds of DIYs, share them with your friends. And also, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the notifications bell so you don't miss any of the future uploads. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.